Hi loves! It's time for my new styling vlog, and this time I decided to share with you exciting news. I've started a new job in Neiman Marcus, so you can shop with me now there. For the locals, come see me. But this vlog is all about that first impression. You know how you start a new job, you want to give impression to your colleagues and your clients, but you're still trying to be kind of in corporate world. It's a bit tricky, so I've decided to share with you my 7 looks which I was wearing first days of my new job, and hope you will get inspired. Remember, it's all about layering and smart approach. Let's go! My name is Curvy Lime. My name is Rada Corbett. Welcome to my blog. My name is Rada Corbett. Welcome to my blog, Curvy Lime. So look number 1, I use white classical blouse, but it's all about the dress here. It's from COS, and when you buy classical things, it's the structure what important, as you can see in this dress. Let's show some hips, some curves here. This I'm achieving with my ZARA belt, and that's it. You see, with the belt it looks much more feminine, this look. I added up burgundy color booties, and here you go. Actually, burgundy color booties are really good with my lips. You see, it's all about accents. Then accessorizing. My favorite Tiffany bracelet, Montblanc watch, Tiffany accessories. Not overdo with accessories, but still keep it interesting. I'm achieving like some kind of trendy look with air cuffs always. That's my thing. Here you go. I feel empowered, sexy but professional. Nothing is open up. The length is perfect. Then I added up my favorite COS coat. And that's it. You see the structure here, it's kind of like goldish. Then white color is always a winner. Celine purse, and voila. You can go to the restaurant also, to some business meeting, but this is how I went to one of my first working days. In look number 2, I added up a bit of color. Underwear, as you know, is very important. Shape underwear. This is Neopren Sweatshirt, which I combined with ZARA Faux leather plissé skirt. But you see, it's about proportion, so I kind of tucked it in like my Neopren sweatshirt, so I have like really nice curves. As I'm showing here, underwear is important, so you don't flash anything you don't want to flash to your clients. But this look is quite trendy, of course, with comfy boots, my favorite ones. I don't even remember the brand of them, sorry, but they're very comfortable. I have them for ages. And here you see it, shiny structure combined with neoprene. It's very interesting. People came up to me and was asking, what is this, can I touch you? Which was quite cute. Of course, accessorizing as usual, do not overdo. My favorite Tiffany earrings, then a clip, but here is a trick how to wear belt bag, which is really important when you have to stand and walk around a lot. You need place to put in your phones, at least, and your business cards. Please wear it like in more interesting way. Add it up, MONCLER jacket, because it's freezing outside, ladies and gentlemen. And here you go. You see, shiny structure with neoprene. It's really fresh and interesting, but it's still not overdone. It's modern, trendy, but professional. In look number 3, it's all about feminine kind of curves for me. I added up to a Cashmere turtleneck, technical structured skirt, which have really feminine vibes, as you can see, but making really nice silhouette. Then ZARA boots, heel is important, do not struggle, wear please wear comfortable shoes, especially if you have to run around or you walk as I do and in standing. Then of course sleek hair, some accessorizing, but also a little bit. We don't want to be too flashy. Ear cuffs are important. Please take a moment during your work day and check on your lips and your makeup. Here is the most important detail is my fur collar in pale pink and my newest treasure, one of my newest treasures, Gucci purse, but I did it shorter. So you see the proportional look is nice, and here obviously I show off my legs. If you want to wear this kind of skirt, please check in that the length of your skirt is a little bit over the knees, not too long, otherwise it will make you bigger. And I added up my ZARA jacket, and that's it. Warm, stylish and confident. Look number 4 is much more daring. You'll see why later on. Here I use as a base my favorite black COS top paired with Neopren skirt, which is obviously right now very in, as we all know. Here you see from the behind it's much longer, which is kinda interesting and give it modern look. I paired it with Kansas sweatshirt. It's bright, it has gold colors and quite bright red color. You see, it didn't work for me, so I put out the rest of the top. We have more interesting layering, and also if you have issues with a little bit issues with belly, like I do, that's how you hide it. I paired it with sneakers to bring like modern. You can pair it with boots, but with Balenciaga sneakers, it's kind of like sporty, but not too sporty. It's really modern look right now, and it works perfectly, but it is daring. And as I said to you, I had big earrings, gold earrings, which works really good with gold and the sweatshirt. You see, it's all about the line of your look. Add up, but do not add up something what doesn't work. Then the purse, as I said, I need a small purse every day, all day long. The chain on the purse works perfectly with the sweatshirt and with earrings, and that's it. See? It's kind of more casual, but it's still professional. You do not show anything you don't want to show. Added up my camel coat as the end piece, and that's it. I do love to wear purses crossbody and under the coat. This brings your outfit kind of like expensive, luxurious look. Look number 5 is all black look, but it's all about details. You see, I use Bermuda kind of skirt trousers, my favorite piece in my wardrobe, and of course turtleneck. Ladies, if you don't have turtleneck, please get you several of those, but in good quality, because I'm wearing mine all the time. They're like really lifesavers. Of course, comfy boots, but a little bit of heel is also nice sometimes. It's nice, but still, it's all about details. So let's see what I did up. Da-da-da! Accessories, ear cuffs to make it fresh and modern, and voila, velour headband. This is cool, kinda trendy thing, but I love the look, especially for Slavic, like for the rounder faces like mine. They look really nice, but place it a bit square. Purse, crossbody, so you can put everything you need during the day and to run around. My boots, by the way, have silver detail, and purse has gold detail. Don't be scared of that. It's really fresh and it's cool looking, luxurious looking look to combine gold, rose metal, silver metals. Please go ahead and do it. And the length of the skirt, by the way, is longer as a coat. Do not struggle with that. Wear it like that. I love it, and it looks very modern and fresh. In look number 6, you see all kind of structures I like to combine with neoprene skirt, wool turtleneck, And then armless chiffon cardigan. I like that it has light structures, so when you put it on, it kinda complements your curves and also meanwhile not being too heavy. That's it, you see, so we combine 3 different fabrics. Be careful with the length of the skirt. You may wear it a little bit shorter. I combine it with sneakers to give it a modern vibe and also to feel comfortable during the day. Then, the most interesting detail, it's a turban. Don't be too flashy with turban, but it should be silk so it stays on your hair perfectly and you're not always obsessed with holding it up somehow. You see, it's quite simple to do. With blonde hair this color is perfect. Then some rings as a detail. I like to wear rings double, which brings also kind of modern vibe to your look. And that's it. I have pockets in cardigan, which is comfortable for you to put your business cards, etc. Voila. Then add up my Gucci purse, which fits nicely with the gray color, looks good, but also with combination of sneakers. This is again trendy look, even though I don't like the word trendy, but it is. Then coat, and voila, you're ready to go. You see, again, it's all about layering and structures, how you combine it. You can make everything look really interesting. Well, and of course I had to show you some look with the trousers. So this is a trouser. Always when you look for basic classical stuff, please pay attention to the details. You see, this top has a different length. Then the pants have really nice details on the hips. Then I paired it with sweatshirt with a little bit more color in it to refresh it, but the main color is black. It always works for going to do your job, you know. And of course, favorite boots, comfy ones. I tucked in the trousers, which brings modern vibe to this look, obviously, and all the structural details. Then I left my hair open and added up some ear cuffs. Here I decided to not do too much accessories, just some rings, a bit of ear cuffs, that's it, but also the belt bag, crossbody, so you basically wear it on your breasts. Someone who has bigger breasts, be careful how to place it. Of course, again, it's kind of powerful, trendy look, and you definitely give a nice statement to your colleagues, but also to your clients. Pair it with your favorite black coat and you're ready to go and win the world. That's it for today. I hope you've got inspired. Ladies, I'm doing this for you. I'm really sharing from the bottom of my heart all the knowledge I know, how to work with your course, how to work with layers, how to be smart about how you present yourself to the world. So please let me know what you are thinking. Where do you need help? What kind of styling look would you like to see next? Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit like if you liked this video. And I'm looking forward to help you out shopping at Neiman Marcus. I will leave my phone number below so you can contact me and make an appointment. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon.